I was thinking, they're probably not even going to believe what I'm about to say, but here it goes. Okay, so you want to be out of the hustle and bustle of San Antonio, right? Raise your hand. Yes. All right, but not be too far. Well, guess what? I've got the answer. This is Highland Homes at Alsatian Oaks. Discover Alsatian Oaks, an enchanting new master plan community nestled in the quaint town of Castroville, where tradition and neighborly smiles are still in fashion. You are just a walk away from enjoying the best cakes, pastries, and breads in all of Medina County at Habee's Alsatian Bakery, or you can grab yourself a big delicious portion of Texas barbecue at Blue Lacy Smokehouse. Alsatian Oaks spans 435 acres and offers easy access to the best of both worlds, the natural beauty of hill country and the modern conveniences of big city attractions. Students benefit from attending acclaimed schools within the Medina Valley ISD, ensuring top-tier education. Alsatian Oaks features a meticulously planned environment with a premier amenity center, lush neighborhood parks, extensive hike and bike trails, and over 300,000 square feet of retail, dining, and medical spaces, all coming soon. Don't miss the opportunity to be a part of this stunning community. It's about 30 minutes away from downtown. Yes, you heard that right. 30 minutes away from downtown in a small town. So you get out of the hustle and bustle and you're right into a small town and be able to take advantage of this luxurious home right behind me. They've got several different floor plans, 2 different series of homes here in Alsatian Oaks. This is a planned community that will have an amenity center, pool, all of that. And we're in Medina Valley ISD. You got to check this out. Well, hey, why don't we do it now? Come with me. Let's check out what the inside is in store for you. This gorgeous single-story home built by Highland Homes is the Matisse floor plan. With 2,147 square feet of space, it features 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 full baths, a 2-car garage, and a dedicated office, perfect for work or play. It includes a beautiful kitchen with a huge island, which doubles as a casual dining space, making it the heart of the home. Vaulted ceilings give the whole place an open, airy feel, while custom details like a built-in hutch in the dining area and elegant shelving in the living room add that extra touch of character. Enjoy the home. Hey, thanks for joining us for another awesome video. Before I forget, go ahead, you're going to find it right about here. You'll have my contact information. Go ahead and call, text with any questions you may have about this builder or any other builder that we are going to show you. Believe me, we are the specialist here at Good to Go Realty to make sure that you are guided through each and every step to home ownership, making sure that we're finding the right home for you. And we understand you have unique needs and situations. And believe me, we are listening and wanting to make sure that we get you through each of those unique steps to home ownership. Whether it is your federal student loan debt, you need to get that lowered. You want to use your VA home loan benefits. You have a down payment assistance need that we can find a solution for. Whatever it may be, just know Good to Go Realty is your new home solution. I cannot stress it enough. So go ahead and give me a call, text, and we will walk you through each and every scenario, making sure that we're getting you in the right home that fits your lifestyle, that fits your budget, and that fits the right side of town just for you. Have a great day.